What's up, guys? Back at it in the Alpha Pack shop. Here is the 500 motor it's between a 2006 and 2011 is the year model Honda Foreman 500. Here's the motor. New top end has been put in. Went pretty smoothly, and we are at top dead center. Only got about that much. So just enough. These have just the right amount. I used the feeler gauge. Point, what was it? 0.005 and 0.007 is what I used. And the little port on the side to tell you top dead center, the T is right on there after the intake stroke. So everything should be good. I lapped the valves, put the new keepers in, put the new bolts here with the nut because they were broken apparently. Like I said, this motor was brought to me half built for this project, so I just continued where it was. So got everything torqued down, put never sees on everything, and let's see, I think that's about it with it. So next will be, I'll put the spark plug in, the caps on with the new grommets on those, and shoot, it'll almost be time to throw some oil in her and put it back in the bike. So I'm curious to see. I hope to God this thing runs. I do. But everything seems to be working the way it should as I pull the pull start. So everything's lining up where it's supposed to. So we're gonna say it's good for now, right? Till it goes to start up and blows up or something, right? That's how it would probably go. But anyway, that was just a real quick update video. My first Honda motor came out pretty nice, I think. Like I said, we'll only know when we put it back in the bike, and then we will know. So on the channel, I don't really do a whole lot of build, like progress. I mean, as far as like showing y'all how to do everything. But I think on the next one, the next project, I'm gonna kind of swap things up a little bit and start doing a little bit more of that on the how-to stuff. Here's a little sneak peek of what we might be dealing with in the next couple or weeks or so. A little spoiler alert. I'm hoping to acquire this unit, and we'll see what we can do with it, man. And my Outlander 1000, the Project Venom, it's in the back, and still have that noise to figure out. But I think with this unit here being the exact same, just about, this is an 800 2015 XMR 800R, and it was wrecked literally across the street from me. And the guy is, the owner is, I believe, now getting a new bike. So I'm gonna see about getting this as either a parts bike or a project bike. We'll see. But I do know all the drivetrain is good and it makes no noise. So I can always throw that in the back of mine and see what it is exactly that's making the noise I have going on in mine. So we'll see what happens. But we got more to come on this Honda build. because it is going to be a long one. It's a complete build. Literally, the thing is completely stripped apart. So, I'll be rolling it in here soon though. And then I will get back with y'all on that there. And we'll move on with it. So till next time, like I always say, please hit that like and subscribe. And hit that bell for notifications on videos to come. We have a lot to come with the Honda build. And I don't know what to call this one yet, but train wreck over here is hopefully going to end up being mine, and we're going to do something with it. So we'll go from here. So till next time, y'all take it easy.